I'm Phil Mabry. I'm from Kansas City, Missouri. Detail King seemed to be one of the best classes, seminars that was available. Excellent. They've covered every aspect of the business. It's nice to have a roadmap to know where you're going and where the turns are. So it's been great. Really enjoyed the whole aspect of going through the different processes, the polishing, giving the opportunity to get some hands-on experience with different products, different tools. I learned a lot. In fact, I thought I was pretty good at taking care of my own car, and now I'm relatively embarrassed to see all the things that can be done, with the right products and the right tools.